Mike's Kitchen slash Mrs. Kitchen ain't all mine. Today, what we're gonna do is we cut a pork shoulder and we are going to fry it outside in a little wooden stove that I have. So stay tuned. While you're standing around, subscribe, like, and the bell. See you in a minute. Okay, here's the pork shoulder. Okay, today we're going to season it with, this is a blend that I do. It's nothing out of the ordinary. It's actually salt, pepper, and a little bit of mixture of sazon. And today, what I want to do is, because I'm not going to leave it around. Usually when I leave it, the meat to marinate, I don't like to leave it in garlic. Because it's not going to marinate, we're just going to saute it and go ahead and fry it right away outside. I'm going to put a little bit of garlic powder on it, okay? It's not a special blend. Like I said, it's only salt, pepper, and a little bit of sazon. So I'm going to jump right into it. As you can see, I'm putting down the salt and the pepper. Mix it in with my hands. Yes, I did wash my hands. I should have opened it before I used my hands. Ooh. A little bit. I have this inside of my blend here, but I always put a little bit more because I kind of like, I think I said it on my other video, it adds a little bit of flavor to it and also adds a little bit of color. So I'm going to mix it all together. I have two pans because of they don't fit all in here, and it's difficult to shake. It's real simple to do. As us Puerto Ricans call it, chicharron. It is fried pork, like pork grinds, but the actual pork with the meat. All right. That's done. Now I'm going to do the second one. Put a little bit more. Sazon. A little bit of garlic. And voila. Mix it. Like I said on my last video, good chefs always use their hands. All right, now that's ready. Now I can go ahead and mix it all together because it's all going outside. Nice. Look at that, folks. Thumbs up. Let's go outside. Welcome back, everybody. I got my machete. I ran around the actual neighborhood, picked up a whole bunch of branches because it's windy. All these dry branches. I cut them up and I'm going to put them in my little stove. As you can see, my little stove right there. Now I have some oil on the pan. Right here. This is just regular vegetable oil. This is my little wooden stove. I'm going to put, I got already wood inside of it. What I'm going to do is so it can light up a little bit better, I am going to put a little bit of lighter fluid in there. Okay, folks, I lit it up. Just gonna wait until it really starts burning. I'm gonna start throwing some more little firewood in there. Once it gets going, boy, it's gonna get really hot, and that oil is gonna start a little boiling. Well, folks, we definitely got a fire going. Nice. Here you go. Can't wait till that heats up. There we go. Okay, now we got it going. Okay, I closed the little door, little compartment door right there. This one is open because of the air. It needs to flow through so we can get some nice flames in there. And probably all I do is feed it through the top, and keeps the flame going. Okay, it's almost there. Okay, folks, it sounds like it's ready to go. I'm going to drop one in there and see what if it's ready or not. Okay. Let's see what it now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. Got a bunch of it right here. Oh my God, too close. There we go. So this thing is ready. The flame is gone. Nice flames right there. I'm gonna fill it up. And man, I can't wait. Looks great. This is called survival, people. It's a little windy out here for some reason, man, but it's not that cold. It's just windy. I'm gonna enjoy this. Well, we are almost ready for the first batch. As you can see it, yeah, it looks good. Nice flames. It is, like I said, it's windy, but we're gonna have some chicharron. Well, I took out the first batch. This is what it looks like. Nice, the flame's still going. Well, there's your second batch. The first batch didn't last very long. It was a trial, and guess what? We ate it all, like in minutes. Well, here's the second batch, and it's almost done. That's a nice flame. People, this is a little stove I found. It actually works. It's really nice. Comes in handy. Sometimes, every now and then, I'll come outside and I'll cook with the fire and wood, and I can make some rice, soften some beans. Now I'm doing pork. You can do all kinds of things on this fire. It's a nice little stove. Okay, everyone. Well, it's done. This is a typical traditional Puerto Rican dish. Some rice, some fried pork, and some bananas, green bananas. They're just boiled bananas. A little bit of wine, and there for two. And you're ready to eat. I'm going to enjoy this. Look at that. A little bit of wine. And I'm ready to sit down and eat. Well, folks, the time has come. We're going to sit down and eat. This one's mine. That one's the missus. It's time to say goodbye. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the bell. People, subscribe, comment, share. Mike Reyes is out.